Jai Sriman Bharadvaja Maharshi, as he start mentioning the names of Devatas, immediately they are responding and coming down. Ajagmuhum, Tani, Sarvani, Daivatani, Prudhak. As he mentioned people, as he mentioned Devatas, every Devata coming down. The entire of that place, Bharadvaja Maharshi Ashramam, everywhere, very nice, cold fragrances, nice wind is flowing here and there from sky. The flowers are getting showered and all the sides of that entire place, Devadundubhas, they are giving a wonderful auspicious sounds from every corner of that place. All the Apsarasas, they are doing Natyam, they are doing dance. Devatas, Gandharvas, they are singing, and all auspicious Mangalavadhyas, all the sounds are everywhere getting vibrated. Bharata and the entire of his army, everyone looking at all the arrangements, they are getting surprised, they are getting wondered. Such wonderful scene is created all over. Around 5 miles circumference of that Bharadvaja Ashramam, everywhere the entire floor got so much smoothened, and everywhere carpets. Those carpets are looking like beautiful diamonds are spreaded all over. Tasmin bilvaha, kapithaha, panasa, Bijapurakaha, Amalakaha, all over the places, everywhere. So many wonderful fruit and wonderful trees for which there are very much ripened fruits are available, and everything is readily available for Bharata to and entire his army to enjoy. Everywhere, Chatushalani, four rooms having such a wonderful houses are built and arranged all over the places. There are beautiful places for elephants to take rest. There are beautiful houses for horses to take rest. There are so many great buildings. Everywhere the entire town is decorated with beautiful flowers, beautiful garlands. There are so many big gates are arranged. In between all that entire town which is arranged, in between, in the center, such a beautiful palace is built. That palace is looking like Devendra Palace. That palace is arranged with all the flowers. Everywhere so many flowers are sprinkled, and all the fragrances are sprinkled in that beautiful palace. That beautiful palace has so many sofa sets, sitting arrangements and bedding arrangements, and within the building there are so many vehicles also arranged. Such a wonderful palace in which there are so many delicious food items are arranged. There are beautiful garments arranged in that palace, and all the utensils also glittering like anything. Dhauta nirmala bhajanam. They were cleaned very thoroughly, and they are glittering into such a wonderful palace. Now Bharadvaja Maharshi inviting Bharata, who is craving for Ramarajyam. Bharadvaja Maharshi asking Bharata, please come into the palace. Bharata now is entering into that palace. Along with Bharata, all his ministers and Purohitas, everyone is entering into that palace. Bharadvaja Maharshi showing a beautiful Simhasanam, beautiful throne to Bharata for him to sit in. Now everyone is looking at Bharata. Bharadvaja Maharshi, with all of his effulgence, with all of his yogic power, with all of his tapasya power, he arranged a beautiful divine building palace, Rajabhavanam. In that there is a beautiful Simhasanam, Divyam, Rajasanam, Vyanjanam, Chetrame Vacha. Such a wonderful divine Simhasanam was arranged. And now Bharata is entering into that palace. Bharata has seen that Simhasanam. Bharata, along with all of his ministers and Purohitas, did a pradakshinam to that Simhasanam. He did not sit in that Simhasanam, but he did pradakshina. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.